Hello, and welcome back to another video.
Hey guys, back to another video, and as you can see,
we have birds. So, this bird right here, sorry.
The one with the greenish yellow tail is Taz.
He's scared of me right now. We just got them.
Like 10 minutes ago or less.
Let me just sit in the chair, it'd probably be easier to see them. There we go. So this is their cage. So, the green bird up there, this one.
The one with the greenish yellow tail is Taz.
I named him Taz.
And then the one with the blue tail, the smaller one, is Ari.
See this one?
Yeah, that's Ari.
It's kind of hard to see through the cage. So, I get the bird up here.
And I get the nice calm bird.
Actually, yours. She said your one had attitude. But she doesn't seem like she has attitude right now.
I think she was talking
Yeah, so
about
listen
your
to
bird.
all this stuff.
We're filming right now.
If they're happy, they'll sing, but if they're not happy, they won't.
Well, we're going to get them happy.
If they're happy, they'll have tons of babies, but if they're not happy, they won't.
Don't worry, we're going to make them happy.
And Kyle's name's going to be registered on the bird sanctuary list.
Is Taz good?
Yeah. Ari, and Taz. Is that
Ari.
Ari.
And we can't do any fast movements around them because they get scared.
Hey Ari, he does.
Yeah.
I wish I could film better, sorry guys, but the cage is kind of like...
Huge.
It's like watching a WWE match, and it's kind of like hard to see. What's the matter, buddy?
But he's not
Look
got
at him.
anything wrong. He's looking. See what's going on.
You're going to be put on YouTube, Twitter, and Facebook. You're going to be a star. You guys are going to be a YouTube star. Well, the amount of views I get,
If
probably
you
not.
go outside to do anything else,
I already told him.
with Kyle, make sure the radio's on,
See, look at this cute one.
because they'll sing.
Yeah, mine's cute.
Oh yeah, the girl. We have a girl and a guy.
Yeah.
And we have to be careful what we say around them, kind of.
Because the males will start talking if they like where they live.
And we have no negativity. Negativity's gone.
Ari.
Taz.
Oh, and they can't
Tazzy.
leave the cage for at least 7 days
Hi, Taz.
because
I called mine Taz because
they need to get used to the smell.
my dad used to have a dog called Taz, and I like that dog, so now his name's Taz.
It's a new environment, new smells.
His name's Taz in reminder of Taz.
And also
blankets,
Tasmanian
sheets.
devil.
Sheets.
Well, my dad had that dog forever, Taz.
And Ari, one, I couldn't think of a name, and two, it's like the name of a bird, a YouTuber. Oh.
I didn't want to call him Rufus because my dad had a dog called Rufus before, but Rufus isn't really a good bird name. I think Taz isn't that bad. What you doing, buddy? It's really hard to film through his cage. Can't really see very good. These are our new bird friends.
I want to test. Ari will listen. Okay. Ari. Ari.
Taz.
Ari.
Tazzy.
Don't yell, Alex. Don't yell.
Ari. Hey, Ari.
Yeah, they're in a new environment right now. We gotta kind of talk in a nice, calm voice. Like me.
Hey, Ari. Hey, Taz.
My voice is majorly calm anyway.
Wait, they
I don't
responded
yell.
when I said
I don't
calm.
yell. We're not going to be able to make our series today because we're going to have to introduce these guys to our new home and get them comfortable before we
Alright.
can start filming.
Ari.
The more you talk to them, the happier they'll be.
Oh man, we should turn some music on. Be like,
Music is on.
that was some better music. You guys are going to be rocking and rolling to my music. My music is better. You should hear my music. You should hear my music. My music's like guitars and singing and crazy guitars and
And a lot of screaming. I guess you can get that.
not every song has screaming.
So,
So they have a basketball net. That's a hard thing to say.
Can you put that
Almost,
on the bottom?
I was
'Cause that's-
gonna say cord.
That's theirs. That cupboard's just gonna be their stuff.
I was going to make a, well, what is it called? Videos outside today. But
No. You gotta hang out with
we got,
Ari and Taz. help them
you're
get
bumping the cage a little bit.
I was
Don't slam the door because you might scare them.
Yeah, they're gonna get used to us.
Be very careful.
And if they lay eggs, cha-ching.
We'll be surprised.
Oh, they will, because I'm gonna talk to his. Well, I'm not just gonna talk to the guy. I'm gonna talk to her too, because that's kind of rude. Because even though he's mine, I'm still gonna talk to both of them.
They need
So
transactions with people all the time.
don't worry, I come out here enough. I cook, I do dishes. I'm not in my room as much as I used to be. I do game, but I don't game as much.
Yeah.
But you guys are gonna be on YouTube, Twitter, and Facebook, and maybe Reddit.
Reddit, not Reddit.
Same thing.
No, it's not.
Alex, negativity. Remember? So you guys are gonna be loving here, aren't you?
Yeah.
Well, we're not gonna film much longer. Well, this is pretty much all.
Tara still looks scared.
He is. This is a toy up here. These are all the toys in the cage. Water.
It's okay.
Don't worry, buddy. Don't worry, buddy. You're gonna be my new friend.
Ari, tell Taz it's okay.
My new best friend.
Yeah.
You're gonna be my best friend, bird.
Yeah, so this sheet right here only goes on when sleep time, and then when whoever gets up first takes it off.
Donnie gets up at like 3:30 in the morning.
No, I'll do it. Are you kidding? Donnie can't even move.
Excuse me. So what do you guys say, huh? You wanna speak?
So what do you think, Kyle?
Wanna speak?
Kyle?
What happened?
What do you think?
They're cute. I like both of them.
See how quiet they got since she left? They're used to her voice.
You'll get used to us, don't worry.
That's why I said they don't even leave the cage for at least a week or two till they get used to us.
Don't worry, buddies.
Because they're scared.
Buds. Your names are Buds.
Alright, coffee.
It's already been
You need
Taz.
coffee now.
Well, I call them Buds.
You need coffee.
Because you know how your name's Alex? People call you Buddy
They
sometimes.
don't like the sunshine on them, but that's good because there's no sunshine right there.
Hi, Buds.
Can you also call me Keys?
Alright, so that's pretty much it of the video. We just wanted to film them. And, yeah. I hope you liked our new birds. And goodbye.